Let's solve another arithmetic problem. In this problem it says that Bing swims 40% faster than Rogue, and then it is said to compare the number of laps Bing swims in 36 minutes to the number of laps Rogue swims in 60 minutes. So let us assume that the number of laps as Rogue swims in 60 minutes is x, and since Bing swims 40% faster than Rogue, therefore Bing will make 1.4 times x lapses in 60 minutes. So now we have to find that how many lapses he makes in 36 minutes. That is the quantity in A. So let's use a unitary method. In 60 minutes, Bing makes 1.4 times x lapses. Therefore, in 1 minute, he makes 1.4x by 60. And therefore, in 36 minutes, Bing makes 1.4x by 60 into 36. Let me write it clearly here. 1.4x into 36 by 60, which is 0.84 of x, and therefore this quantity is less than the original quantity x, and therefore quantity A, which is 0.84x, is less than quantity B. So therefore in this problem statement, quantity B is greater.